level. Okay, now what if the circuit you need to troubleshoot is under a shield? How do you get them off? That's easy. Again, you need to place the circuit board in the circuit board holder. Next, select a heat focus head that is approximately the same size as the shield. In most cases, you won't have a focus head big enough. Don't worry, select the biggest one you have that doesn't exceed the size of the shield. In this case, we've selected one that is about 50% smaller than the size of the shield. Remember, the shield is a big piece of metal that conducts heat very well. That is why it is not important for the focus head to be exact. Once you have the appropriate focus head selected, attach it to the heater assembly. Before you slide the board under the heat focus head, brush a small amount of Kester Flux Formula number 197 around the perimeter of the shield. Position the shield under the heat focus head in the same manner as you did when you removed the IC. Now lower the spring-loaded vacuum pickup until it touches the shield and activate the vacuum pump. Finally, depress the foot switch to activate the heater and sit back and wait. Once the shield is lifted, gently slide the circuit board holder out from underneath the focus head. Grab the shield with a pair of tweezers and turn off the vacuum pump. Then set the shield aside.